Welcome back to the Learn Awadhi language YouTube channel. In our previous episode, that was the first episode, we have learned 30 basic words of Awadhi language. In this lesson, we will be learning some simple Awadhi sentences. So let's begin with today's lesson. The first sentence that we are going to learn is hello, how are you? If you want to ask someone, you can just say नमस्ते का हाल चाल है और नमस्ते का हाल चाल बा है और बा both can be used in the end. I'm doing well, how are you? हम ठीक ही तू कैसा है और हम ठीक ही आप कैसा हैं. So in Awadhi you can call others as tu. Like in Hindi we have tu, tum or aap. If you want to give respect to someone, you can just say aap. But in Awadhi, if you call someone as tu, it's understood that you are referring to aap or tum. Okay, so you can just simply say हम ठीक ही तू कैसा है. It means I am good or I am doing well. How are you? Third is it's too hot nowadays. आजकल बहुत गर्मियाँ है. आजकल बहुत गर्मियाँ है. What do you do? If you are asking someone what work does someone do, you can just ask them आप का काम करत ही और आप का कमवा करत ही. Next, I am a teacher at a government primary school. हम एक सरकारी स्कूल में अध्यापक ही. It means I am a teacher at a government primary school. Are you married or not? तोहार बियाह होई गवा कि नहीं. और तोहाय, तोहार और तोहाय both can be used. तोहार बियाह होई गवा कि नहीं. I am not married yet. अब हमारे शादी बियाह नहीं भवा. I love you so much. हम तोहका बहुत प्यार करी था. I don't know what to do. हमका नाही पता हम का करी. Let's go for a tour somewhere. चला कहता घूम फिर के आवा जाए. So these were the 10 basic sentences that I have just taught you. If you want to learn more sentences, you can just go to our Learn Awadhi language website, which is given below, and keep watching our videos. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any Awadhi lesson. Thank you for watching.